Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link savings accounts to Digit. Digit allows you to link external saving accounts, giving you flexibility in managing where your saved money goes and helps you to optimize your financial planning across different accounts. Let me show you how it's done. So first thing is to open the Digit app. Launch the Digit app on your mobile device, or you can log in through the website browser. Next, go to the settings menu. Tap your profile icon or the menu button, usually found in the top corner, and it's going to allow you to access your account settings. Next, select linked accounts or bank accounts. You want to look for an option that's labeled linked accounts, or it could be connected banks or something similar. Tap add accounts or link new bank. Digit will show you a list of popular banks or provide a search bar to find your specific institution. Just go ahead and follow the prompts to sign into your bank. So enter your login credentials securely through Digit's encrypted connections. You may need to complete multi-factor authentication, of course, depending on your bank settings. Confirm and authorize the connection. Now, once connected, Digit will ask which accounts you want to link. It could be checking, savings, etc. Just choose your preferred savings account. Next, assign your linked savings account to a goal. If you want Digit to send savings from a specific goal to this newly linked account, go to that goal and tap Manage Goal and update the destination account. And you're done. Digit will now be able to deposit your saved funds into your linked savings account or simply use it for tracking, depending, of course, on your settings. Linking savings account gives you more direct control over your money and can help you to separate long-term savings from your main checking account. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.